in position.
Sergeant, do you have eyes on the target?
I've got eyes on him, don't worry.
Remember, we're just here to collect evidence, so whatever you do, do not engage.
We've been after this guy for a while. If he does do a +2, I will engage.
Dang it.
+2, got a +2, I'm going in.
Do not engage, do you copy?
Federal Tribute Agency, shut down!
Whoa, hey, what's going on?
Did you just not count that +2?
No.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, fine. Yeah, I did. Is it really that much of a big deal?
It is. Now, I'm gonna let you off with a warning this time, but if you don't count another +2, this is gonna end very badly.
Okay, fine, whatever. If I get another +2, I'll just count it. Is that cool?
Yes, it's very cool.
All right, fine. That's a +2.
Okay, thank you.
And I hope to never see you again.
Right back at you, buddy.